weeks ago, Mr. R.R. Patil used to consume tobacco for years together, and unfortunately we lost the battle to cancer with him purely which is connected to tobacco. He was like an elder brother to me. I have seen my father, who's a cancer survivor. I mean, in my father's case, God, his willpower, and the doctors did a phenomenal job. So he's been a cancer survivor for 15 years. I have seen this so close to my heart, my family. And above all, you know, you go to Mumbai anywhere. You go to Tata Memorial Hospital. Oh my God, you will never believe what you see. You know, I mean, sometimes I feel people live in a bubble who don't even know where reality is. Oral cancer, India is one of the topmost countries with the maximum number of oral cancer patients. I mean, you talk to any oncologist. I mean, Nidhi, you remember when we were all growing up, it was not such a big deal, but today every family has one cancer patient almost. And I'm not saying it's only tobacco, but there are various reasons, but one clearly is tobacco. So let's try and eradicate whatever we can.
You know, Supriya, the government though has now put off this decision to have these bigger picture warnings on tobacco products. They were supposed to have done that from tomorrow. So why do you think that happened? Do you believe that they came under pressure from tobacco lobbies?
You know, to be honest enough, I don't want to get into this lobby business because I believe there's a lobby for everything worldwide. I won't even say Indian tobacco. There's a global tobacco lobby and all kinds of lobbying people do. But what is right and what is wrong is most important. And to be honest, I mean, to rise above politics, I met the Honorable Prime Minister about 2 weeks ago about the same topic, and he was exceptionally supportive. I met the Health Minister, Mr. Nadda, with a lot of groups who work against tobacco and cancer against tobacco with data. And I must say both those meetings were very, very encouraging. The Honorable Prime Minister extensively talked about gutka banning and, you know, talking about how we can control tobacco addiction and extensively. So I am very, very sure. I really can't put the puzzle together as what has gone wrong. But all the signals that the government has given me personally have been exceptionally positive. So I am actually in complete shock and I can't believe this is happening. And at the same time, Nidhi, I'd definitely like to make a point that I agree that just one pictorial picture on a packet is not going to change the whole, it's not going to be the game changer or anything. But you know, we are looking at various solutions to a problem. So that's why, you know, smoking in public places was banned. Then we did a gutka ban. So these are various tools that we are doing to bring in more awareness with people. That's all this pictorial warning is about. So I don't know why is anybody against it.
Supriya, my final question though is that the MP's panel that was looking at this issue, one of the main reasons they cited for then putting off this warning is that the livelihoods of farmers would get affected, and they cited specific statistics in favor of their argument, which many doctors have disagreed with. What do you think?
Oh, I do, Nidhi. I'll tell you the flip side of it. Even if I am a victim of tobacco and cancer, I'll tell you one thing. We don't want to take livelihoods from people or from farmers. So let's have a plan B for that. You know, first you stop this by making awareness. That's plan A. And plan B is we can change the crops. Look, I'm not saying that stop tobacco tomorrow. We can ease it out over a period of time. A, the farmer doesn't suffer if we give him alternate, very good crop which gives him the same kind of profits. One. And two, part of it is women. There are millions of women who are into this BD rolling business. Let's empower them and get them skilled to do something else. So if we roll out a program like this over the next 3 to 5 years, I'm sure we are not expecting a knee-jerk thing, ki chalo, you know, just ban it and stop it and people's livelihoods get affected. Nobody in our field want that, or even our groups want it. We are saying that let's do these kind of arrangements where we bring in more awareness for health reasons purely, and people who are affected because of this over a 3 or 5 period, or let's have a skill plan where these women get skilled and look for alternate ways of making money and for their livelihoods. We don't want to hurt anybody, nor the farmer, nor the people who work in the BD business at all. We understand that they are absolutely the bottom of the pyramid and they need an alternate solution for skills.
Alright, Supriya Sule, thanks very much for your very candid views there on what is a very important subject. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, this is a subject that we've now taken up for the second day in a row. It's a subject that we've got tremendous feedback on, and the person at the center of this entire storm is Mr. Dilip Gandhi, who is a BJP MP and also chairperson of that parliamentary panel that was looking at this particular issue. I'd like to go across to Mr. Gandhi first. Mr. Gandhi, you're getting a lot of criticism today, a lot of flack actually for your comments that there are no Indian studies that really prove the link between tobacco and cancer. would you say that that was a rather odd statement to make? It's in your report as well, or are you going to stand by that?
एक ऐसा है कि आपने जो सवाल पूछा है उस सवाल का पहला जवाब ये है कि हमने ना ऐसा कुछ कहा है, हमने उल्टा ये कहा है टैबेको और टैबेको से बनने वाले हर कोई प्रोडक्ट है वो हर आदमी को हार्मफुल है और उसके साथ साथ ये भी कहा है कि इससे भी कैंसर होता है और कैंसर होने के और भी कुछ प्रकार है। हमने इस प्रकार से विषय कहा और हमारी ये जो सबऑर्डिनेटेड लेजिस्लेटिव कमिटी है इसकी जो काम का दर ये है उसमें ये विषय था कि भाई ये 40% जो चेतावनी है वो 85% करनी है। जब इस कमेटी के सामने ये जब विषय आया तो इसके बाद 3-4 बार हमारे कमेटी में डिस्कशन हुआ और अलग अलग सांसदों ने इसके ऊपर राय रखी और उसके ऊपर और जब हमने मिनिस्ट्री की भी विटनेस लिया तभी हमारे सामने जो रिपोर्ट्स आए, जो मालूमात और जो साहित्य हमारे सामने आया उस पे यह आधार था कि भाई इसके जो सर्वे हुए हैं वो बाहर के देशों में हुए सर्वे है या अपने देश के कोई व्यक्तिगत आदमी ने कुछ सर्वे किए हैं, लेकिन सरकार के माध्यम से कोई सर्वे हुआ नहीं है। और उसके आगे जाकर एक ऐसा कि हमारे देश में सिर्फ सिगरेट एक विषय नहीं है, तो हमारे इस देश में बीड़ी का भी उद्योग है, तंबाकू का है, गुटखा का है,
आप तो वही बात कह रहे हैं ना कि आप ये कह रहे हैं कि हमारे देश के अंदर ऐसा कोई सरकार का सर्वे नहीं हुआ है जो ये आपको बताता है कि टबैको को यूज करने से डायरेक्ट कोई लिंक है कैंसर से, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग। आप तो यही कह रहे हैं ना?
नहीं, हमने ऐसा बिल्कुल कहा नहीं, हमने ऐसा कहा नहीं है। टबैको से भी कैंसर होता है, किसने नहीं कहा है?
आपने तो कहा
ऐसा हमने कहा ही नहीं, बिल्कुल। टबैको से भी कैंसर,
आपने तो कल हमें भी कहा है, आपने इंडियन एक्सप्रेस को कहा है, आपने पीटीआई को कहा है। मैं आपको पढ़ा आई कैन रीड इट आउट टू यू। हम आपका कल का बाइट भी निकाल सकते हैं।
हमने यही कहा है ना,
फोन किया था आपको, आपने यही बोला।
हाँ, अरे भाई फोन पर रहा तभी भी आपको यही बोला कि अगर आप एक ही यानी पूरा सेंटेंस सुनेंगे नहीं, आपको जितना चाहिए उतना बोलेंगे और बाकी का नहीं बोलेंगे, ये कैसा चलेगा?
नहीं तो
आपको जो मैं पूरी बात कह रहा हूं, अभी भी आपके सामने बैठा हूं और कह रहा हूं, सुप्रिया सुले जी ने भी अभी क्या कहा कि भाई टैबेको होता है, टैबेको के साथ भी कैंसर होता है और दूसरे भी कोई सेंटेंस है उसके साथ भी कैंसर होता है। हमने कहा उसकी मनाही करी है।
आपको पता है कि हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री, आपको पता है हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री के डेटा के हिसाब से देयर आर 75 to 80,000 केसेस ऑफ ओरल कैंसर इन इंडिया दैट आर रिपोर्टेड एवरी ईयर। ये हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री का डेटा है। तो ये डेटा कहां से आया? आप क्यों कह रहे हैं कि इंडिया में कोई स्टडी नहीं हुआ है? अगर वैसे भी इंडिया में नहीं हुआ होता कोई स्टडी, अगर कोई बाहर का भी है, तो वहां के जो लोग अगर सिगरेट पीते हैं या बीड़ी पीते हैं, क्या वो अलग हैं? आर दे डिफरेंट? इज देयर एनाटॉमी डिफरेंट? डू दे नॉट गेट कैंसर फ्रॉम टबैको? अगर वो अमेरिका में रहते हैं या यूरोप में रहते हैं, आपका कहने का क्या मतलब है?
नहीं, हमारा कहने का मतलब ये है, पूरा स्वच्छ और स्पष्ट मतलब ये है कि तंबाकू से कैंसर होता है, पर उसके साथ साथ हमारे देश में दूसरे देशों में सिर्फ सिगरेट बिकती है, हमारे देश में तंबाकू के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट बिकते हैं। उसमें बीड़ी भी आती है, तंबाकू भी आती है, चिगार भी आता है, हुक्का भी आता है, गांजा भी आता है, बहुत सारे उसके कंटेंट है, उसके साथ तंबाकू बिकी जाती है और उसका सेवन लोग करते हैं। तो हमारा ये कहना था कि देश में हमारी सरकार के माध्यम से नहीं होता है ना, हम कहा नहीं बोल रहे हो रहा करके, होता है यही बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन सही अभ्यास करना गलत है क्या? अगर हमारी कमेटी की राय आई और उन्होंने लोगों ने सुझाव दिया कि भाई आप एक वापस सर्वे करिए, एक स्टडी करिए, अच्छे हमारा 125 करोड़ जनता का देश है, इतने बड़े डॉक्टर्स हमारे पास है, अच्छे शास्त्रज्ञ हमारे पास है, इतना बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारे पास है।
आप किस चीज का सर्वे करना चाहते हैं?
ये सभी चीजों का सर्वे कर सकते हैं।
नहीं क्या मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि टबैको का कैंसर से लिंक है? अगर आप ये कह रहे हैं तो आप किस चीज का सर्वे चाहते हैं?
एक ऐसा है, कैंसर का प्रमाण कौन कौन से विषय में है, इसके साथ सब सामने आना चाहिए ना, तथ्य सभी कौन कौन से पहलू से आना चाहिए, यह विषय है हमारा।
अच्छा,
और हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि हमारा हर आदमी सशक्त बने, समृद्ध बने।
अच्छा, अब
सशक्त और समृद्ध हर आदमी बने, ये हमारी ख्वाहिश।
डॉक्टर मोनिका अरोरा है फ्रॉम द पब्लिक हेल्थ फाउंडेशन ऑफ इंडिया। यू हैव हर्ड व्हाट मिस्टर गांधी हैज सेड। आर यू सैटिस्फाइड विद द एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट ही इज गिविंग ऑन हिज कमेंट्स टुडे? आई मीन, I'm not, because I've seen and heard his comments for the last 2 days.
We were even appalled when we looked at the report from the parliamentary committee, which actually questioned the evidence and saying that more research is needed, whereas there is ample evidence. And from the public health perspective, I don't think we need more evidence to say that tobacco in any form is cancerous. It is carcinogenic, and in fact, if any other research is required, even on alternate livelihoods, there are research evidence available. So farming options for tobacco farmers, for BD rollers, alternate case studies are available where employments have been provided and they have been shown to be successful. What is needed currently, I really do not understand that we need more evidence in India. Indian studies on smoking, whether it is cigarette or BD, causing cancer of various kinds,
Are already there.
For smokeless tobacco, again, very well established causation studies, what we call in epidemiology as conclusive evidence, is available. And in terms of whether we need to think about the livelihood options, which even Supriya ji pointed out, very rightly pointed out, and not that Ministry of Health is not making efforts. With Ministry of Agriculture, efforts are in place. Many alternate employment options have worked out. What is needed is a market support mechanism.
And a political will.
And a political will,
So why do you think that the
surely.
panel has come to this conclusion? You think there's pressure? You think the lobbies are working overtime?
I really do not know what's happening, because since the beginning, when the pictorial health warnings in India were announced in 2008, ever since those warnings came in, the industry used to ask for time to implement them. 6 months to 9 months were given to them. They waited till the 8th month, and only in the last month they used to put an objection.
And by the way, I just want to state on record here that industry bodies like FICCI and ASSOCHAM also were writing to the Health Ministry over the last few weeks requesting for these warnings to be put off, and we did request them to come on this program. Everybody refused. Let me go across to Sumitra Padnekar. She is the wife of Satish Padnekar, a Congress minister who died from oral cancer after taking tobacco for a long time. Mr. Padnekar passed away a few years ago. Sumitra ji, when you hear this argument that is put forward again, Mr. Gandhi today is saying that no, we need more surveys to be done, we need more data to be collected. How do you feel about that when you hear this? I mean, I'm sure you would have welcomed bigger warnings on tobacco products from tomorrow if it had happened on time.
Well, it's very unfortunate and it's very shocking for me. Something like this is coming from this kind of stature, this kind of, responsible man. He says that, we need our own surveys. But I want to ask him one thing. Who has done an Indian survey or a research on Ebola? Then we should not take care, or we should not take precaution on that front also. We do research on mice, we do research on animals, and most of the research are done abroad. But on tobacco, there is ample evidence, ample research. You just open Google and everything is there in front of you. This is just a delaying technique. They are just delaying, they are shirking away from the responsibilities. And they are, I am telling you, they are responsible for all the deaths henceforth. We say, we blame all the time the underworld for killing, for death, for extremism, for that and this. Don't you think this is state-sponsored extremism?
That's a pretty strong statement to make, ma'am, and I know
Yes.
this comes from what you have personally gone through. Your husband
Yes.
was addicted to tobacco, and his death was linked to tobacco. Am I right?
Yes. He had oral cancer, and why Mr. R.R. Patil, our Home Minister, died a couple of, 2-3 months back. Not only common people are very capable, very important people are also becoming,
Addicted.
Addicted to this, and their life is going wasted. Such people who could have done a lot for the society, but I don't understand, I really don't understand what is the hitch, why delay? Such a horrible thing should be applied as soon as possible.
Yeah, I think you made a very powerful statement there. I'll take that to Nalin Kohli. Nalin, I'm sure you understand Sumitra ji's anger and anguish at this.
We empathize
And
with it
there,
also.
there
It's
is
a human issue.
It is a serious issue. I mean, these warnings, I mean, till last week Mr. Nadda was saying they were going to happen, and now they're not happening from tomorrow.
Well, first of all, I think you need to even go to Mr. Nadda as the Union Health Minister. His statement even today is reiterated that the government is committed to it. Now, just because there is a change, and coincidentally, that delay could be also on account of administrative issues that are not linked to the parliamentary panel. The parliamentary panel is on its own place. It is not binding on the ministry. The minister is on the record. The minister said so. So why are we linking all the issues?
Why
Each
doesn't
one.
the minister
One
come out
minute.
and
One
speak?
minute. Well, he spoke. It's on ANI. I
Yeah,
saw,
he
in
was
fact,
ambushed for a 20-second
that's
bite, but he
okay.
doesn't
His
want to
bite
talk
is there.
about
But
this
that is
other
okay.
side.
You can't now force people to want to come on shows and speak just because you would like to see him
No,
do
no,
that.
it's on a health
He's in
matter.
his-
No, we don't
he's
expect
in his
that.
rights.
Of course
no, I
not.
think
On a
that's
public
a different
health issue, we shouldn't
no,
expect
I mean,
that.
anybody can. Every issue is of importance to this country that goes through Government of India or the respective state governments.
but why
because
should
it
we
means
expect
with
a health
hundreds of
minister to
thousands
come
and
and
lakhs
speak
of
on health
people.
issues? Like I
But
said,
whether
till
they
now,
want to, whether they want to participate in a debate or not,
it
you
doesn't
can't
have to be
force
a
them
debate,
to do
but
that.
I'm just saying that
Representatives
people-
of the
maybe
political
people want
party.
some clarity.
One
What
minute,
is the
hold on. So
reason?
therefore, I'm sitting here as a representative
what is
of
the
a
reason
political
it's
party.
not happening tomorrow?
I don't.
Do
I'm
you
not
know?
running the ministry, but I can certainly tell you that if when the minister is on the record, clearly saying that we are committed to it and there is no change in that commitment, I will not take it as I would take it as presumptuous. You're believing that the government is not going to do it. That's incorrect.
It's not going to do it on time.
Second, about tobacco warning. 1 minute, let's go to each one of the issues. About tobacco warning. Yes, everyone has spoken eloquently on it. There is no question of any confusion about the issue. It's